यो वाक्य हेरौं। के म मेरो भविष्यको बारेमा चिन्तित हुनु पर्छ? Should I be worried about my future? Should I be worried about my future? यसको उत्तरमा अब होइन, वर्तमानमा मात्र ध्यान देऊ। No, just focus on the present. No, just focus on the present. Present भनेको वर्तमान। No, just focus on the present. तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु युट्युब च्यानल, तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ। आउनुहोस् आजको भिडियोमा यसरी नै महत्त्वपूर्ण प्रश्न उत्तरको अभ्यास गरौँ। के मैले यो आफै गर्नु पर्छ? Do I have to do it alone? Do I have to do it alone? तर तिमीलाई सहयोग चाहिएमा मलाई बोलाउँदा हुन्छ। Yes, but you can call me if you need help. Yes, but you can call me if you need help. के तिमीले मलाई कहिल्यै छोडेर जानेछौ? Will you ever leave me? Will you ever leave me? उत्तरमा म तिमीलाई कहिल्यै नछोड्ने वाचा गर्छु। I promise to never leave you. I promise to never leave you. म उसलाई कहाँ भेट्न सक्छु? Where will I be able to meet him? Where will I be able to meet him? उसले तिमीलाई भोलि ठाउँ बताउनेछ। He will tell you the location tomorrow. He will tell you the location tomorrow. तिमीलाई अलिकति पनि डर लागेको छैन? Aren't you afraid at all? Aren't you afraid at all? Afraid डराएको, डर लागेको। Aren't you afraid at all? अब यसको एउटा राम्रो उत्तर हेरौं। अपरिहार्य कुरासँग डराउनुको कुनै अर्थ छैन। There is no point in being afraid of the inevitable. There is no point in being afraid of the inevitable. Inevitable भनेको अपरिहार्य कुरा, भएरै छोड्ने कुरा। There is no point in being afraid of the inevitable. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru, if you haven't subscribed already. र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासलाई पनि सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नछुटाउनुहोला। दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टी पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला। के तिमीले त्यो पायौ? Did you find it? Did you find it? मैले अहिलेसम्म फेला पारेको अथवा पाएको छैन। No, I haven't found it yet. No, I haven't found it yet. के कसैलाई थाहा छ म यो कहाँ किन्न सक्छु? Does anyone know where I can buy it? Does anyone know where I can buy it? नजिकै एउटा पसल छ। There is a shop nearby. There is a shop nearby. तिमी किन गल्ती गरिरहन्छौ? Why do you keep making mistakes? Why do you keep making mistakes? मैले यो जानी गरिरहेको होइन. I am not doing it on purpose. I am not doing it on purpose. On purpose, जानी. I am not doing it on purpose. तिमीले उसलाई किन जान भन्यौ? Why did you tell him to go away? Why did you tell him to go away? यसको उत्तरमा अब उसले मलाई रिस उठाइरह्यो. He kept pissing me off. He kept pissing me off. Piss off साथी भाइ माझ बोलिने अनौपचारिक बोली. औपचारिक अवस्थामा चाहिँ यसरी भन्ने. उसले मलाई रिस उठाइरह्यो. He kept angering me. He kept angering me. Anger भनेको रिस पनि हो, रिस उठाउनु पनि हो. He kept angering me. तिमी मसँग किन यति रिसाएको? Why are you so angry with me? Why are you so angry with me? म तिमीसँग रिसाएको छु किनभने तिमीले मेरो कुरा सुन्दैनौ. I am angry with you because you don't listen to me. I am angry with you because you don't listen to me. Be sure to like and share this video. भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य पनि नछुटाउनु होला. के तपाईले यो आफैले पकाउनु भयो? Did you cook this by yourself? Did you cook this by yourself? उत्तरमा मलाई खाना पकाउन मन पर्छ. Yes, I love cooking. Yes, I love cooking. के तपाई आज बेलुकी खाली हुनुहुन्छ अथवा आज बेलुकी फुर्सद छ? Are you free this evening? Are you free this evening? म तिमीलाई पछि खबर गर्नेछु है. I will inform you later, okay? I will inform you later, okay? तपाईलाई के भयो? What happened to you? What happened to you? म दुर्घटनामा परे. I got into an accident. I got into an accident. Accident, दुर्घटना. I got into an accident. अब यो अर्को प्रश्न हेरौं. के मैले तपाईको आमा बुवालाई यसको बारेमा जानकारी गराउनु पर्छ? Should I inform your parents about it? Should I inform your parents about it? नाइ, यो त्यति गम्भीर छैन. No, it isn't that serious. No, it isn't that serious. के हामी उनलाई भरोसा गर्न सक्छौं? Can we trust her? Can we trust her? चिन्ता नगर्नुहोस्, उनी एक विश्वासयोग्य व्यक्ति हुन्. Don't worry, she is a trustworthy person. Don't worry, she is a trustworthy person. Trustworthy, विश्वास गर्ने लायक. Don't worry, she is a trustworthy person. मेरो सामानहरू कसले लियो? Who took my stuff? Who took my stuff? मैले लिए, म छिटै फिर्ता दिनेछु. I took them, I will return them soon. I took them, I will return them soon. Soon, छिटै अथवा चाँडै. I took them, I will return them soon. अब कति समय लाग्छ? How long will it take now? How long will it take now? Take भनेको लिनु पनि हो, तर यहाँको अर्थ चाहिँ समय लाग्नु हो. How long will it take now? अब त्यति समय लाग्दैन. It won't take too long now. It won't take too long now. के म सही कुरा गर्दैछु? Am I doing the right thing? Am I doing the right thing? मलाई लाग्छ तपाई सही काम गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ. I think you're doing the right thing. I think you're doing the right thing. के तिमी मसँग सहमत छौ? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Agree भनेको सहमत हुनु. Do you agree with me? म तिमीसँग सहमत छु, तर उनीहरू छैनन्. I agree with you, but they don't. I agree with you, but they don't. आजको दिन कस्तो छ? How is the day today? How is the day today? एउटा राम्रो उत्तर यसको, हरेक दिन एक सुन्दर दिन हो. Every day is a beautiful day. Every day is a beautiful day. र यो एकदमै सही हो. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care and have an amazing day.